Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things, so come and join me. Today I'm going to experiment with making chicken and some vegetables in the Instant Pot, so let's do it. I have my Instant Pot on saute mode. It's already hot. I've got a couple tablespoons of grapeseed oil in there. My chicken's seasoned, so let's put it in. We're just gonna brown it. Now we're going to turn that off and get ready to add everything else back in. I'm going to pour in about a cup of organic chicken broth. So I'm going to place my trivet down inside. So put the chicken on top of the trivet. Now I have a chopped onion we're going to place in there. Chopped carrots, and I have 2 cubes of my frozen sofrito. If you want to know how to make fresh sofrito and freeze it, I have a video for that. Now we're going to add our butternut squash. I'm going to put the lid on, and I have it set on pressure cook high for 4 minutes. Our timer went off. It cooked for 4 minutes, so we're going to do a quick release. If you like this little gadget that keeps the steam from going on your cabinets, I'll leave a link down below. You see inside there? I'm going to add a tad bit of salt to the veggies. Going to be a great lunch. I'll see you on the next video. God bless. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.